I'm just waking up and I actually feel like eating pop. I actually dreamt about pop. So it's been long. I made pop like 7 8 years ago, but today I'll be making pop again. So to make this pop off, most people call it pop off, most people call it puff puff. So anyone you want to call it, no wala. So first I added flour, then I added sugar, then I added cinnamon. Yeah, I talked about cinnamon the other day on my channel and I said I'll be using it so on some of my dishes. So yeah, I've started already. I added cinnamon and I added nutmeg. Then later I added yeast to it, and then also you add your salt. So after adding all this together, you can decide to add maybe spicy pepper, or you can try to just leave it like that. I decided to add spicy pepper to my own because I wanted it a bit spicy, but I didn't want all those pepper showing. Maybe the next one I'll be doing, I'll be using fresh pepper and maybe onions, but for this one I don't want that pepper showing because most people requested, they said after making the video, after making the pop off, they would love to eat. So I had to like just make it the normal way. So now you go in with your warm water because of the yeast. So you just mix. You can make it like this or you can make it a bit thick, any of the above. So after mixing all your ingredients together with the water, you just cover it. You cover it and you allow it sit down for like an hour or 45 minutes. So you can put it in a warm place so that it can rise. So I actually slept off, so I woke up like 2 hours later and thank god it didn't go bad, so it still came out well. So after like when I woke up after like 2 hours, I had to like quickly open it and mix it. So after allowing it sit for that 1 hour or 45 minutes, when you go back it's going to rise, and then you just mix everything so it will go back to normal after mixing it. So you can either scoop this way or you can scoop this way, any of the above. So your oil has to be enough, or you can get if you can get a pot, a deep pot, then you don't have to use this amount of oil. But if not, your oil has to be enough so that it actually comes out like pop off and not like akara. So you keep scooping and adding to the fire, scooping and adding to the fire. You can make it small. My own, I decided to make it small. You can make it small or you can make it big, any of the above. So you just keep scooping and adding to the fire. So forgive me, I was using one hand to scoop, I was using the other hand to check the pop off so it doesn't burn. So make sure your fire is on low heat. If not, the outside will be brown and you will think it's ready when the inside is not even close to ready. So make sure it is on low heat. So that's how you keep frying and frying till you're done with your pop off. Then you take it off fire. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. And please turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video. And kindly tell us your name and where you're watching from in the comments section so that we can make a shout out to you, or we can send you a big hug. Thank you. Also, feel free to check out our other recipes. We have so many interesting recipes and we have so many interesting content also. So feel free to check out our channel for other interesting recipes and videos and all of that. Also, feel free to request your video, any video you want to request. Feel free to request. If it is something we can do, we would surely do it. If it's something we can't do, we would let you know. So that's how you just keep frying your pop off and till you're done with everything. And at the end of the day, my pop off came out beautifully well, despite the fact that I allowed it sit longer than it was supposed to sit. It still came out well. So don't be discouraged if you actually make one or two mistakes for the first time. You can try again the second time. So it's been long. I made pop off like 7 years ago. Jeez, I was even thinking this won't come out well, but it actually did. So feel free to make your own pop off today. You can use my recipe. Feel free to use my recipe, and you can actually tag me on your video, either Instagram or Facebook or TikTok, anywhere. My name is the same, so you can just tag me so that I would see the video. So my name is Empress Blessing Bassi on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Then on Facebook it is Empress B Blog. So feel free to tag me wherever. I would love to see you use my recipe, and I would love to know if after using it your dish or whatever you used the recipe for came out well. So as you can see, my puff puff came out well. So my ring light went off since, and when I was done, I couldn't video inside, so I had to take it outside, and my puff puff came out well. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye. See you on the next video.